in my mouth, double as it breathes. Degrees in my mouth, double as it breathes. Degrees in my mouth, double as it breathes. Degrees in my mouth, double as it.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of TunerThings. My name is Steve. This is a channel basically about chronicling my builds. I've got a Turbo Civic that I'm working on and also my Integra that I'm building. I have a lot of awesome stuff in the works right now, a lot of cool builds. So if you're into that kind of thing and you haven't already, make sure you smash that subscribe button and make sure notifications are turned on so that you get updated every time that I post a video. So right now we are sitting in my Integra. If you haven't seen the previous video, I was talking about how I'm kind of starting my build on this. Going full force. So this is one thing, source of contention here. This is freakishly huge. I needed to get a short hub. I ended up getting a regular hub. Finally got the NRG Short Hub, so I'm going to be installing this and just real basic stuff. Over the next couple days, you guys are going to see all the other stuff that I bought. I've just kind of gone a little crazy. I'm trying to bring this thing back to its former glory, so you know what I mean? Doing my thing. All right, so basically, first things first, make sure the wheel is straight up and down. Try to not turn it at all. Boom. Put that down there. Basically, I'm gonna take these Allen screws out. Hopefully you don't want the small enough. So yeah, I'm just gonna take these off and then I'll get back to you in a little bit. Got those Allen screws off. Now you just got to take this guy off and pop the old one back on, get it in. All right, y'all. Don't mind it being a little crooked. When I was working it down, you know, I didn't lock the wheel, so I had to turn it a little bit. Well, it got turned a little bit, but here we go. This should be turned slightly to the right. There we go. Man, that looks so much better. Golly.
Degrees in my mouth, double as it breathes. Degrees in my mouth, double as it breathes. Degrees in my mouth, double as it breathes. Degrees in my mouth, double as it.
That was so ugly before. This thing, functional, but hideous. Holy shit. Oh, this is so much better. I just need to get another screw for this. So let's see, what do we have coming up? Ordered some floor mats. That's gonna be nice. As you can see, my floor's kind of jacked here anyway, so I'm gonna be getting a new carpet. I did put in a new shift knob, but I'm gonna be getting rid of this because it's all fucked up. I ordered it on eBay and came all jacked up. The person took a picture of it from when it was new, I guess. But yeah, I got a short throw shifter because this is obnoxious here with this. I got a little doohickey to hold the shift boot in place underneath the knob. What else did I get? Ordered a new vent here because this is, as you can see, that needs to be replaced. I ordered some new door speakers, ordered a new door card. What else did I order? I'm gonna be ordering a new seat and a new seat belt. I ordered a new head for the Civic, which is awesome. So that'll be coming in a couple days. And yeah, just kind of doing my thing. Just making progress, a little bit at a time. Finally got this short hub on. I can get rid of this old, nasty, funky fucking thing. Yeah, so short one today, just doing a little install of the NRG Short Hub. Definite improvement over the Boss knockoff, so hell yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned for a lot more build content coming in the next couple videos. I'm gonna be getting the Turbo Civic running. Gonna be doing quite a bit of stuff to this thing, so hell yeah. Stay tuned, like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, Cub Scouts.